Hey y'all, and welcome back to my video. Today is my grandmother's heavenly birthday. As y'all can see by the title, today will be spend 48 hours with me in Orange Beach, Alabama. So that's gonna be today's vlog. Right now we finna, y'all is fogging up so bad. Now we finna go check into some more rooms because, yeah. But then when we get out, I'ma come back to y'all. It's fogging up so bad. Hey y'all, so, oh, that sun. So we had my auntie. It's dark now. Right here. Right here. So we have my auntie husband family reunion. What we gonna do after this?
I'm going to the beach, babe.
Okay, we need to go ahead and go to the beach then. I'm trying to take pictures.
She manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry,
So y'all, we finna be in the mall right now. Oh, Bailey.
Period. She ragging up, huh? Okay. Don't play with her. Take your duff off so I forget that.
Okay, y'all, so we in Aries. Ain't that what it's called? Is that what it's called?
Yeah, Aries.
Aries?
Aries.
Yeah, Aries. Oh. Yeah, they got some real cute stuff in here. I've never been here before, but it's not for me. Yeah, he think he a cowboy so bad. Wait, why they got a, let me see.
Baby got a car, period.
But mine don't look like this.
But she got a new one.
Yeah, this massage don't be massaging. It be hurting. Like, am I the only one? I can't fit it down. Oh, yeah, it's in my booty. It's in my booty, y'all. Oh my god. Okay, now for my shoulders. Yeah, it need a massage. His head tight. But y'all, we're still at the mall. It's 8:17. I don't even really know like what are we gonna do. Well, I guess we're not doing it today. I guess today was just like a by yourself day type. And then tomorrow gonna be beach day for sure. Hopefully we all go out to eat together. I don't really know though. But if not, we still gonna go out to eat. It's just gonna be like separately. But I don't know, cause we don't really do nothing separately like with our family. Like we just all be together. So we gonna see. So y'all just continue watching and yeah. I think next time when y'all see me, y'all, I'm gonna either be walking out the mall or I'm gonna be at the restaurant. It's gonna be one of them, unless like something just real, you know, like unless I can just catch a moment. Oh my god, it's in my booty. But yeah. So y'all, right now we at the food place in the mall. Mom, don't leave me. Oh. But yeah, we finna get some Chinese food, so yeah. Okay. Do y'all have crab tempura? Shrimp look good. That's the only reason why I'm getting it. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, it look good, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we finally up. I don't even know what time is it. Well, we've been up actually. We've been up since like 8. Well, they've been up since 8. I've been up since like 9 something. But we getting dressed now. I'm finna do my edges. because they're not done. And this is what I have on. But yeah, I'm gonna put on my anklet and then I'll get back with y'all. Don't say miss. So y'all, we in Walmart right now. I ain't really record much yesterday because we didn't really do nothing yesterday. But like what y'all saw on the camera. And that's about it. So it should be down this aisle somewhere. But right now we're looking for the balloon tank, the helium tank.
Okay.
Oh, right there.
We had it that way. I'm getting a helium balloon tank. Get that one. Because it inflates up to 30. We'll just switch.
But yeah, we finna head to the beach. Today is my grandmother's heavenly birthday, so we finna celebrate that in Orange Beach. Right now we in Pensacola, Florida. That's where we at right now. And when we go to the beach, we just gonna be out there all day. But everybody going home today. So yeah, my mom really disappeared on me. Like I thought she was right behind me. Oh, there you go. Okay. So yeah, we finna get back in the car. And my next time recording should be when we at the beach, because it's like an hour away from here. So yeah.
What's up, y'all, man? We out here with the fam. Yeah. Got the pregnant woman right here. She look nice though. You know? Nah.
I need to go get that other
We can just go to the beach.
Smoked out. Hot. You know what it is, man. Summertime. Summertime fun. You dig?
Say hey. You gotta tell them where we finna go.
Yes. Yes, we go to the beach.
We going to the beach.
Yeah.
Right, it is. Hey y'all, so we just got done eating. Now we finna go sit up the volleyball net, and then we're finna play some volleyball because yeah, we do this volleyball stuff for real. Especially my team. I don't even know who my team gonna be, but my team gonna win for sure. I'm talking. I need to start talking because my team gonna end up losing. Nah, for real though. But yeah, this is the view. We was just sitting under there. Had some good shade, y'all. Y'all, it's so hot. Oh, I ain't put on no sunscreen, so I'm definitely gonna get darker. Alright. So yeah, we're gonna go sit at the volleyball net and then I'll get back with y'all.
Hit it again.
Watch that! Yes! That's it. Stop up. That's out.
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all, I miss y'all, so I'm getting back on. My cousins act like they don't know how to act, so yeah. Boy, don't be saying no dang. I don't want to play anyway.
Let's say something, mama.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you forever. Happy birthday, Mama. I miss you.
Thanks.
Oh, happy birthday, Big Rose. Happy birthday, baby. I love you. Happy birthday. Never forget you.
Happy birthday, miss you.
Love you, Mama. I'll see you.
Happy birthday, boy. Happy birthday, Mama.
Y'all, look at all these birds.
I'm tired of doing it. We're gonna do it up there.
What you doing?
That bitch shit.
Where? See, I just told y'all. Oh God, y'all better not start running after me. Ow! Hold on. What they doing? Hey, I need my shoes. Oh, I got them. Peter, they finna attack you. Peter, look, they coming.
You got shit back here.
I'm finna trip. They talking about Peter.
Nah, throw it over there. Listen, we got food. He just tried to pick up that sock. No. Look out.
They getting. Hold on. Get back from me. Y'all, these things so close.
Here you go, get it, get it.
All right, it's time to go, y'all. Hey, y'all. So that will conclude the end of the video. Y'all see how Papa? It looks dark. I don't know why it's dark. But yeah, that will conclude the end of this video. So if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yes, I took off my eyelash. Oh, it looks so weird, don't it? Look. I had to take it off. Because it kept getting in my eyes. So I had to take it off. But yeah. So that will be the end of this video. Thank y'all.